Good afternoon, myself Pinky Chawla, advocate practicing District Court as well in Supreme Court. Today we'll discuss about 498 cases when the 498 case has been filed and charge sheet framed, and the notice go to the accused whether accused should present and or not. If he doesn't present and want to take a stay from the High Court, is it possible to take a stay from the High Court at the earliest? Number one, when you get the notice, need not to worry. You can hire an advocate and he will appear in the court, and if you appear in the court there will be no problem, because there will be simply appearance date. For 2-3 dates are generally appearance dates, so you can appear in the court and just mark your attendance and you have to come back. If you don't want to go in the court after receiving summon, or to better you don't receive the summon, if you don't want to go to the court, deny the summon for 2-3 times, and when 2-3 times will happen, and then in the meantime you can hire your advocate and you just request him that he should take an adjournment from the court. If on the last stage, if 3-4 days already be taken and the honorable judge deny that he will not give an adjournment in this matter, then it may possible he again issue a bailable warrant, non-bailable warrant. Then you can again appear in the court and put an application to advocate for getting a bailable application for bail. And after that, when the honorable court allow you to appear in the court and allow bailable allow the bail in the court, concerned court, then you can put your all forms, fill all form through advocate and get a regular bail. In the meantime, if you feel that you want to go to High Court, you can go to High Court, but sometimes so happen that pendency of the number of cases, High Court generally doesn't give stay on 498 matters. It takes time, so you need not to worry. You can file an application in the High Court for stay, and in the meantime you can either appear in the court or you ask for the adjournment. If adjournment not possible, then your advocate will regularly appear, and when non-able warrant will issue against you, then you can appear in the court. By that time, the time will pass for 3-4 months and you will get a stay from the Honorable High Court. So this is all about this matter. I hope you find it convenient and interesting. Myself Pinky Chawla, advocate. My number is 9818277131. If you have any queries in detail about this matter, you can always free to talk to me, but with prior intimation. Thank you so much. Obliged. Regards.